Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode in my Unreal Engine survival series. So here today we are going to work on this objective, how to show the objective and how to implement this UI animation. So this animation is to represent that now we are completely dehydrated, so we need to find water, and just because we are low in hydration, to show that this water bubble is blinking, so we are going to work on that and also work on the initial fading effect that you just saw here. Now initially the screen is completely white. Minute. The screen is completely white, and then it fades into the starting point where the character is laying on the ground. And yeah, after standing up, you get the objective, first objective of the game: find water. So those are the things. And this episode is sponsored by this generous patron. Thank you very much for your support. Right, so this is what we have at the moment. We can press space and get up. So the first problem I want to solve is this: when I start playing, you see that character falls down. So that's not the way I want it to happen. So I need something like a black screen or maybe a loading screen before I see the player on the ground. So initially there should be a black screen. So let's go to BP UI WDG HUD. Here let's add a border. Let's set the anchors like this. This way. And then I'll make this let's name this UI cover, and let's make it a variable. Now let's go here, let's create a new custom event. Let's call it fade cover, or we could call this actually loading screen. Yeah, and fade loading screen. Then get the loading screen and set color. Set content, color and opacity. Can we change it? Oh no, I don't think this is the variable we need to change. We need to change this one. Yeah, that one. Okay, so here let me collapse this loading screen. And set color. And set content, color and opacity. Can we change it? Oh no, I don't think this is the variable we need to change. We need to change this one. Yeah, that one. Okay, so here let me collapse this loading screen. And set loading screen. And set content, color and opacity. Can we change it? Oh no, I don't think this is the variable we need to change. We need to change this one. Yeah, that one. Okay, so here So this is what we need to change. Set color, set brush color. So how do we change the brush color? Like this. Get brush color. Can we split this? Yeah, we split it here also. Use the RGB components as they are. I don't need to change them, and get this one minus 0.01. Add the delay. Another branch. If this one is smaller than 0, don't do anything. If it is false, do this again. Right now, in the widget HUD and the HUD class, I'll create another function in this PPI HUD interface. Hide loading screen. Now, let's do one more thing here. If this is true, get the loading screen, set visibility to hidden. Right now here, hide loading screen, get the widget HUD, fade. Oh, I think we should use fade instead of hide. Fade loading screen. Just call this. Okay, now from our starting checkpoint, after playing this montage, that means this part. Let's add a small delay, 0.5 seconds, and then no, not here. After changing the location also, then add the delay. No, we need to change the camera as well. Yeah, so let's do it here. Delay of 1 second, and get HUD. We already have the HUD here. Fade loading screen, call it on the HUD. Right, awesome. That's exactly what I need. Maybe we could slow this down a little bit. fast. Oh, sorry. Better. Now can we do something about this slide-in effect? I'm not sure why that happens. Is it because of the root motion of this getting up animation? Let's disable it and see. Yeah, it seems so. But if I disable the root motion, there will be a slide-in effect. Yeah, that. So how can we fix it? Okay. Here we can, let's zoom this. Let's move this section further here. Wait, did something went wrong? Let's see. No. Right. Okay, now let's see. It is still sliding. Alright, then let's try something else. Okay, let's pause the animation here. get player character, get mesh, set pose enemies. And then we need to enable animations again. Here. Right, now it is not sliding, and when I press space, we get back the animations. Awesome. Alright, now the next thing is the character should be completely dehydrated. So to represent that, I'm going to make the water bubble blink, and I need to completely drain the water bar. So the character has to find water, and there should be some the first objective is find water. Right, let's first go to the widget. Let's hide this. This is 𝐼MG health, 𝐼MG water, 𝐼MG food. There is an animation palette here. I haven't. Let's see if we can. Okay, blink water. Right, let's see how to figure out this. Key. How to add a key? Right. Oh wait, how to add a key here? Track 𝐼MG water, canvas panel slot. Alright, how do I set position? Sorry, this size X and size Y. Alright, I think I have to use this minimum and maximum. Oh wait, yeah, let's see what happens if I scale this up. No, these are not the values. Okay, then can we move the pivot here? Like this, and then set position. Alright, maybe this should work. Right, let me set the snapping to 0. Okay, now, oh wait, that's not what I wanted to happen. So as far as I can see, there is no track for the size X and size Y. Ah, right, we can add a keyframe here. Okay. Oh, that was easy. So what is this? Alright. Wait, why did it become like this? Okay. Right. Now if I increase the size, that's going. Okay, now this is 0. Now let's go another second. Wait, it should be 80. And go another second. Let's make this. Now let's add the key again. And in 0.5 seconds, let's make this 100 and 100. Alright. This also should be 100. Right, I need to set this to 0.5 and 0.5, otherwise the scaling wouldn't look good. Okay, now this is the animation. Right, so we need to play this animation when our when our hydration level is 0. Right, I'll collapse this. Update instruction. Another custom event, set water level. Let's call it hydration level. As an input, I need a float level. Right, So get the level. This level should be between 0 and 1, because otherwise it wouldn't make sense. The maximum amount of this slider can have is 1. So where is water bar? Progress water. Set percent. To be safe, I'll clamp this between 0 and 1 so that we wouldn't have any edge cases. And if this one is less than 0.1, I need to play that animation I just created. How do I play it? How to get a reference to this one? Alright, we have a variable for that here. Blink water, play animation. Number of loops I'll set to 0, and play mode forward. So we should do this if this condition is true, otherwise we should stop this animation. Alright, so to test if this function is working, I'll in the survival HUD, in the begin play, I'll call this set hydration level to 0 so we can see if it is working. Right, it is working. We can see the animation. Okay, but that's not the way we should implement it. In the HUD, in the main survival HUD, I'll create, and now in this BPI HUD I'll add a new function, set character. What should I call it? I want to use this function to update all the parameters for health, for food and health, hunger and hydration levels. So set character properties. Yeah, now in the inputs I'll add, in the type of float I'll add health level. We need 2 more, hydration level and hunger level. Right, now let's implement it in the survival HUD. Set character properties, get 𝐻𝐸𝐸, set hydration level. With the hydration level, I haven't implemented other stuff yet, so let's leave it like this for now. Now let's go to the character. That's the character blueprint. Right here. So this is basic stuff. So we need another interface here to define the structure of the character. So in the BP, I'll create blueprint interfaces, BPI character. Let me create a new folder called interfaces and put everything there, all the interfaces there, so it is more organized. Okay, now implement BPI character, and there let's add a new function, update character so I'm going to use this one to change the character's health level, water level or hydration level, and the food level. So properties, right. So here I'm going to define delta health. Delta stands for difference. Delta hydration and delta hunger. Well, I'm not sure we should call this hunger, because hunger bar full means we are full. So but if we are full in hunger, that means we should be hungry. So I don't know a suitable word for that. Maybe you should comment it, I don't know. So for now I'll use this as hunger. Okay, now here let's create an event graph UI. Should I call it UI? No, this event graph is enough. So here let's implement update character properties. I'll collapse it. Character properties. Okay, now get hot, get the air controller, get hot, shall we no, and then set character character properties. So internally we should have variables for each of these properties. So I promote these two variables, health hydration hunger. We shouldn't directly set them, we should do it like this. Get health, add whatever the delta we have here, and then clamp it between 0 and 1 and set. Similarly, get the hydration plus this hydration value, set it like this. Oh, we need to clamp. Right after that, set these values like this. Right, now as for the initials values of these, can I select? No, I'll set to 1 for the default values, and let's define a category. Character properties. Okay, now in the start, the character, get here update character properties, call this on the player, and let's set the hydration delta to -1. So we are not calling this like I did before here. I'm not calling it anymore. So now the character should be dehydrated completely, and yes, as you can see there, press space, okay. Now the next thing is we need maybe maybe it's better to do that part in another episode. Oh no, let's add that part also. The objective in the top left, find water. So I think I like this font, so let's import that font for the UIs. Font. Right, now let's use that font for the instruction also, because everything should be consistent. Right, let's see how does the font look. Oh, that's better. So because we are stranded on island, so this I need it to look something like something written on a diary, so that's why I selected that font. But these images does not really align with that vision, but I don't have any other concepts for them as for the moment. Maybe later we will change it. Right now for the objectives, let's add a text block here. Txt objective, find water. Font is this winner ITC. Wine ITC, I don't know. Let's set the size of the objective bar to 300 and 100, and I'll delete this objective because I need it to appear dynamically. Okay, now in the widget, yeah, did we make it a variable? No. Compile. Okay, now let's collapse this part. Set hydration, set objective, and drag and drop this txt objective, set text, and I'm gonna get the input text as a string, objective, and set it like this. So I'm not going to initially I'm going to make this invisible or hidden, and once I set the objective, I'm gonna make it visible. Set visibility to visible, and then let's keep it there like 5 seconds, and then hide it again. Okay, so now I'm not sure this would be visible enough. With the color white. So anyway, let's just see how it looks and then we can change. Right, now we have the event here. Then let's go to the HUD. And the HUD interface, let's show objective. Objective come as a string. Let's implement it here. Event show objective, get the widget HUD, set objective. Maybe we should call this also show objective. No, let's keep it like this, otherwise it will be confused. Right, now when the CP start, after we get up, let's add the delay of 5 seconds and then show objective on the HUD. Objective is find water. Let's see how it looks now. Press space to get up and we are dehydrated. Okay, find water. I think that's enough visibility. Maybe we should keep it longer. Let's keep it for 30 seconds. Alright, so now what we need? We need sound of the sea. So let's create a new folder for audio, and I have downloaded the beach sound effect. Let's create an attenuation setting for that. Waves, no, ATTN waves. 36,000. This one 36,000 because I need to hear waves from a long distance. Then I'll just let's make this looping. Can we increase the sound? Right, now let's drag and drop here. I think we should give some delay to show press space to jump instruction, because it goes away too fast without having time to read. Where do I show it? Six seconds. Find water. Okay. Also, I have this sound effect which I want to use as when I show the instructions and objective. So let's play this one when I show the objective here. Play sound 2D. Pencil here, and also when I show the instructions. Maybe we need to use another one for this, but for now I'll use this one. Okay. So the next part is walking. So for that, here in the character movement I'll set, maybe let's try like 40, no 50. What's this analog? That's also I'll set to 50. Everything I'll set to 50. I'm not sure what this does, but and also here in the injured locomotion, so this is at a speed, this should be a speed 50. Wait, right, minimum is 0, maximum is 50. Right, let's see. It feels like character is sliding a little bit. Right, but anyway, I'm gonna stop for this today. I think we made enough progress for this day, for the day. And alright, so if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. The link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.